Welcome! Today we're going to show you how to fix Windows 11 not detecting your second monitor. So, the first thing you should do is to try to see if the HDMI cable is not working. So, you can just try to unplug it and plug it in again. Also see if you have plugged it in the right place. So, after you have tried to plug it in the right place and see if the cable has any issues, then you are good to go. Now try to restart your PC and start it again to see if that works. Then you can go to the settings, so you can try to right click the Windows key as see from here. So right click on the start menu, then you can hit on settings. After that you can go to the system section, then hit on display as see from here. From here you can just scroll down till you see the multiple display section. You can just click on it and you can try to hit on detect section as see from here. Hit the detect button and if you have another display, surely it will connect. As see from here from the taskbar, you can just hit on the Wi-Fi and audio and battery section. From here you will see all the settings. You need to hit on project. After that, sometimes the second screen will not work if you didn't hit duplicate or extend. So if you want both screens to show the same thing, you need to hit on duplicate. Also, if you want each screen to show a different thing, you need to hit on extend. If you want the second screen only to work, you can hit on second screen only, as see from here. After that, the screen will show the thing that you want. So, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.